Aircraft may appear as light as feathers when they are in flight, but on the ground they are extremely heavy, and over time that can take a toll on the surface of an airfield. That's why the duties of the Airfield Pavement Evaluation, or APE team, a part of the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center's Air Force Civil Engineer Center on Tyndall Air Force Base, Florida, is so crucial to winning the fight.
Without structurally sound airfields, the aircraft can't fly on them, so it's pretty important to make sure our planes can fly and land safely. We take destructive samples of the concrete or asphalt, whichever pavement surface there is.
A 6-inch core, and then we will later, at a later time, cut and break the core to show the strength for the bases for their aircraft.
To provide this combat support, APE team members usually go out in groups of 5 to any Department of Defense airfield around the world to ensure flight lines are able to support the DoD flying mission. For this particular task, they traveled with their specialized equipment to Jacksonville Air National Guard Base in Florida.
The heavyweight deflectometer, the HWD, simulates a 55,000-pound force on the pavement, which is similar to a C-17 fully loaded trafficking across it. Similar to seismic reading type equipment. So what we're doing is taking the shock waves and turning them into strength data.
We also do the subgrade soil strength, so we know the behavior of the soil underneath the airfield. We'll also look for any signs of distresses on the surface of the pavement or major cracks or fault lines that have formed over time. After we do our field work, we have a report that's written that creates the ACN and PCN values that go all the way up to the FAA as well as the Air Force level, so they know every single aircraft that can land in that airfield or taxi on it. So if there's a lot of damage, they can use the report to help justify future construction.
For the Air Force Installation and Mission Support Center, I'm Brian Godden.